big picture, what we're going to be talking about in this lesson is slam bidding after stamen. Now, it can be after 1 no, 2 clubs, as I have on the screen here. It can be after 2 no, 3 clubs, right? It could be after 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 2 no, 3 clubs of stamen. At any point, your partnership is in a stamen auction, okay? No matter what the level, you can implement the Goldway slam tries, okay? We're going to spend our time over 1 no trump because that's way more the frequency, okay? When partner opens 1 no trump, we bid 2 clubs of stamen, partner replies, then our next bid can be the Goldway slam try. Now, how did this come about? There was a partnership of Bobby Goldman and Paul Soloway, solid partnership in, say, mid-70s up until Paul Soloway started playing with Bob Hammond. And Bobby Goldman actually passed away in his 40s. He died young. And Bobby Goldman lived in Dallas. He was one of the Dallas Aces. And Paul Soloway lived in the Upper West, somewhere, I think, in Olympia or one of those small towns up in the Northwest. And his wife was actually the mayor of their town, interestingly enough. But anyway, these two were a solid partnership. They put together amazing bridge notes. They worked on their partnership more than any partnership I know of in American bridge anyway. I think there are some Italians and some Norwegian pairs that may have rivaled Goldman and Soloway's notes at this point, but in American bridge, they were known for their notes. And they developed this slam bidding system that we're going to talk about in this lesson.